Hey Divas, welcome back to another video. Like I mentioned in my last video, I was going to be doing an Easter DIY. So here we are. I'm going to be showing you how to color eggs diva style. We're going to be using glitter and jewels and all that fun stuff. So this is my basket of the ones that I've made so far. I will be, adding more to this, but yes. Cute little Easter basket that I got from the dollar store, $1. So you know me, I love my bling bling, and what better way to, celebrate Easter by making a little decoration of glitter Easter eggs. And I added jewels around it. I mean, come on. So let me show you the things that you guys are going to need. What I'm going to dump my glue on and use as a glitter catcher is these hefty plates. They're styrofoam. I got them at the dollar store, so $1. I have 2 of them out right here so I can pour my glue and then dump my glitter. I also have a sponge that I cut like this so I can brush the glue on. So far, those things I got at the dollar store. And then I just cut this. This was like a huge sponge and I just cut it into strips. You're gonna need some E6000 glue because I like to just secure the end of the jewels. Even though they're sticky, this one has glitter on it that I didn't use, so I'm just kind of using it as an example. I would glue the last one of each stone just to make sure it's secure on the egg. And that looks like this, and you can buy these right at Michael's. I believe I got these in the scrapbook section, but you can get them at the craft store. The main thing is you're going to need some plastic Easter eggs. You can get these anywhere. You can probably even get them at the Dollar Tree. We've had these ones for a while, throughout the years, just saving them. But I saw them at Walmart. I saw them everywhere, all different sizes. You will need plastic Easter eggs, and these ones open up, but the way I'm doing this, I'm going to make sure that I glue the inside so I can't open them up. But that's just how I'm doing it. You're going to need some Mod Podge, and this is what I'm going to brush on with my sponge onto the egg. And then the fun part, the hashtag Diva Style way, is the glitter. I have so much glitter right here. I got pink, black, a chunky glitter. You guys can use any type of glitter you want on these eggs. I do have one right here where I made it more chunky. This one looks like a sequin on the egg, and I didn't color the egg with anything else except that, so it was really cool looking. I have one that has blue on it with this light blue over dark blue. I have a really, just classic silver one right here. Ooh. I got just pink with the jewels around. So today we're going to be doing a black glitter egg with some jewels. Kind of like this one, but I'm going to be putting the jewels the opposite way around the egg instead of up and down. So now I'm going to bring you in closer to see me do my thing, pouring the glitter, pouring the glue onto my dollar plates, and let's just have fun. Let's get, this glitter DIY. You can use these as decorations. You can use these for whatever you want, but I'm going to use them as decorations. So let's get into this. The first thing that I'm going to do is just open up my egg, and now I was going to use the other side, but let's just use the side that's covered in glue. And I'm just going to go around the bottom right here just to secure it. You don't need too much, just enough. If you hear my son talking in the background, he knows mommy's filming, so it's time to, chat it up too. He wants to talk to you guys as well. And now that that is closed, I'm actually going to flip it over because I'm not going to hold it by that side. And all I'm going to do is just take my sponge and brush on the glue. I know, might seem very simple, but it is. The only thing is I wouldn't leave my glue like this, ready? I wouldn't leave it like that, because if you leave the glue super thick, you're going to have a really chunky egg. So I think what I'm going to do is coat this all over, and then I'm going to coat it a little bit again before we sprinkle our glitter. And I mean, come on, it's really that easy. And when you see how easy it is to put those stripped jewels on, you're gonna be like, oh my god, I'm gonna make a whole bunch of these and use them as decoration for when I have people over for Easter. Or you could bring these as a gift for a little Easter gift. So what I'm going to do is open up my glitter. These glitters I got at Michael's. The pink one and the light blue one I got at Joann's. So I'm going to open up my glitter and watch this, you guys. Pour your glitter and ooh, the egg is getting covered. The cool thing about this black right here is that it has some purple specks in it. So by pouring it over the purple egg, if you have a little bit of purple still shining through, I personally like that the best. On spots where I feel like I need to cover a little bit more, take a very light amount and just pat the sponge. And then just take your glitter. And you're not throwing this glitter away, that's the fun part. You're gonna be pouring this glitter back into the container, and when you see how much glitter you really used, you're still gonna have like the same amount of glitter left over because you really don't use that much glitter. Okay, so I pretty much got it how I want it, just except this one spot right here that's very purple showing through. So now what I'm going to do is just lightly place my hands. You don't want to do it hard because you need to cover the top and bottom. If you have time, let it dry first, or if you're impatient like myself, just hold it lightly and cover the top and cover the bottom. Because you see where our fingers were, you need to cover that up. So this egg is done. I'm going to let this dry before I put on the jewels, but you can see how pretty this is, and I personally like because I see purple flakes in this glitter. I love that I can see a little bit of the purple egg coming through because you see some purple glitter in that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let this dry, and then I will be back to put the jewels. Okay, so I just let my egg dry. Well, I blew dry my egg. So I wanted to make the process faster, and now that I cleaned up my area, I am going to show you what to do. It's this simple. You guys ready? Pull off your jewels. Now, this might be enough, but I'm just going, actually no, it won't be. I'm gonna need 2 sides. And once the glitter kind of hits it, it won't stick that well. That's why I like to glue the 2 ends down, but you guys can already see how cool that looks. And then I will come in right here, pull up another one. Oh, I need to cut it one more. So now that I got it done like that, so what I'm gonna do is just open up my E6000 glue, and then all I do is I take a little dot and I stick it down, and it's kind of sticking onto the other one, so I don't need to glue that one. But it's kind of embarrassing how simple it is to show you. Like, all you do is take some glitter, some glue, a plastic egg, and some strip rhinestones, and that's it. But it's just so easy. So this is just a simple, fun DIY, and I really enjoy doing this. And this is just like a really nice decoration to fill up this basket with glittery eggs. So for all my new subscribers, I see you. Thank you so much for subscribing and joining the Diva Squad. So for those that just subscribed and for those that aren't subscribed and are just watching, I am going to be having a giveaway once I hit 2,000 subscribers. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.